And the 10th one is, sorry, 22nd one is uh, to indicate the values 15.6789 from dual table, and we are going to do that. And rows the selected trinate dows 15.6789 round 15.6788 and we have just done that. And thank you for watching. These are the basic built-in function in database. Hi guys, now we're going to see some built-in functions in database. And the questions are: insert the following tuples into the given tables. And these are the tables and the given specification. And we are going to insert the specification. And first we have inserted the values, and then we have just created one row, and then we have created all the rows, and totally we have created 5 rows. Okay, and then we are going to insert the branch table, and I have created a branch already, and then we are going to insert the values inside the branch. And these are the branch values. Wait. These are the branch values which we have included here. We have included totally five to six branches. So, and then we are going to see the next one. We are going to insert customer. We are going to insert the customer values into the customer inside the customers. We have already created a table, and we are just adding the customer values. These are the customer values which we insert. And then we are going to insert the borrow table. We are going to insert the borrow value inside the borrow table. So these are the borrow values which we have included inside the borrow table. And then list out the total loan amount taken by the borrowers, and we are going to see that. And then these are the total amount which they are borrowed, and find the total deposit done by the depositors. We're going to see that. We are just giving select some amount from the depositors. These are the amount which we deposits from the depositor. Okay, then list the total loan taken from another three branch, and there is no amount which borrows from the another name. Okay, then we are going to see the next one, which queries to find total deposit of a customer having account date later than 1 Jan 96. We are going to see that 1 Jan 96 it's 1800. Select amount from the depositors valid date 1 Jan 1996. These are 10,080. Okay. Then select some amount from the depositor's inner joint customer on the customer C name depositors C name where city Nagpur. We are going to see for that. Wait a minute. See here, select amount deposited in a joint customer or joint customers, and then which the deposit by the Nagpur is 1000. 1000 are deposited from the Nagpur. Okay, then we are going to see select count district city from the find the total number of the branch cities. The total number of the branch cities is 9. Okay, and then here it is mentioned, and the next one is find the total number of the customer cities, and the total number of the customer cities is 7. Write a query to display the branch name and the branch wise deposit query, and this, and we are going to see for this. Select B name amount from the depositors ordered by B name, and these are the branch name and the amount, and the row is created. And 11th one is given a branch wise deposit of the customer after account date Jan 1, 1996. These are the names which who are deposited after the Jan 1 and 1996. And the next one is find the total count of the customer, and these are the total count of the customer. It's 9. And find the total count of the deposited branch wise. Branch wise means it shows 9. Write a query to find the maximum loan from the branch VRCE query. Select amount from the borrows where rename VRCE, and the total number is 1000. 1000 who are created name as VRCE, and then they borrows the amount. 15th one, list the branch having some of the deposit more than 4000. These are the brands who are having amount higher than 4000, three places. And the calculator the length of the string DVMS from the dual table. And we are going to calculate the length of it by using len function. It's 4. It's 4. And the next one is display the names of the customer uppercase. These are the customer who are in uppercase, and the 9 rows selected. And the next one is display this substring nil from the Sunil by the deposit table, and we are going to substitute that the depositors is updated. And the next one is prefix Antonio number, account number, column with two zero zeros, deposit table, and we are going to update that. And we have just updated here 00. It's updated deposit state account number cat concat concat. Then 20th question, we are going to select from the sort the deposit table based on account number. Under this, we have just shorted the account number as per the depositors. And the next one is use add month function to the add 3 months from the current date system. And this or that we have changed as per the month. And the last one is use turn function to turn off